Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, King County in northeastern Illinois, until 8 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Serena, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Aurora, Elgin, Bartlett, St. Charles, Oswego, West Chicago, Batavia, Geneva, Yorkville, Camden Hills, Plano, Sandwich, South Elgin, Montgomery, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, Boulder Hill, Elburn, Wayne, Valley View, Hinckley, Somonauk, Lily Lake, Newark, and Wilmington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for north-central Illinois. The National Weather Service in Chicago